Today, we're going to transform a hardback book cover. My plan is to use the book as a journal book, but you could change the cover of any hardback book in this manner just so it looks pretty on your shelf as a decorative item in your room, perhaps. So I went to a wallpaper shop and I got this book that has, this happens to be black and white, and it has some beautiful papers in it. I'm just going to take just a quick flip through. It's got some gorgeous papers and some nice, wonderful textures. So I've gone through and I picked out some papers that I like. And these are the ones that I chose. I wanted that black stripe because I want to make a black cover. And I also went to a flea market and I picked up a book that I want to recycle. It's a little bit dirty. I'm not going to show you the author or the title, but I think it'll be a great book to turn into a junk journal. It's nice and thick. I will be removing some pages because I'll be putting a lot of stuff in the book, but this way I can have a nice hardbound cover. And I'm going to use these papers that I've selected. Isn't this gorgeous? And this one has a wonderful texture. And I thought I'd use this as a lining on the inside. And I'm going to put this on the spine of the book. And I'll probably put a label in the middle here once I figure out the title of this journal. I do have a specific plan for this journal, and it's probably going to take me a long time to do it. So let's begin. I want to start with this paper as the cover. So I'm going to first of all cover the front of this book with glue. I'm using tacky glue. I plan on folding over the edges, so I want it to overlap some on the top and the bottom. Now, I want you to understand, I do have a great appreciation for good books and would not intentionally destroy a good book. I actually treasure my books and have over 1,000 in my home. When I lend out one of my treasured books, I hope that they're well taken care of and that they will be returned to me in good order. This particular book has no value to me, as I disagree with the author, so I am repurposing the book to make a better use of it. Now I just need to deal with the spine of the book, and then I have to decide, do I want this to be the front cover, or, which is very lovely, or do I want this to be the front cover? I kind of have this as the front of the book now, but I might change my mind and I just flip the book upside down. Doesn't matter, because I'm going to be covering the words anyways. I don't know if I'm going to save any of the words that are in the page. I'm probably going to cover everything with my own pages. So I want this paper to be here and a little bit of the white to come around the edge. So I got to cut this down. It looks like the width is really great, because I want that black on the end so that I can put a label for the title of this journal. So I just need to decide how much of this do I want. I think right there would be good. And right there will be good. So we just need to cut it. I've cut it like this so that I have a little bit to go over the edge, just a tiny bit. Done that on both sides. Okay, so I will start. Have a lovely book, whether this is the front cover or this is the front cover. And here I can put type out some words and glue them on here, maybe in a little embellishment or something. And I could still add, you know, decorations on the top, whatnot. I do need to cut this paper to size so it will fit perfectly right in there. I think I'll probably put some heavy books on it and let it sit for a while. So here it is, the start of a journal from a hardback book that I have recovered with wallpapers that all came from an expired wallpaper sample book. The paper here was free. The book I picked up at a flea market for $5. It was in pretty decent shape. It's got a little bit of staining here. If I were to keep all the pages, I could do some artwork on the edges of the pages, but I'm likely going to remove some of the pages to make space for all the extra embellishments and papers that I will be adding to this journal. So instead, I may do a tinting of the paper edges to give a more uniform look so that it doesn't look dirty or sloppily stained. But this is the first in a series of videos on making a journal from a hardback cover, and I haven't decided what to do with this yet, so I'll just leave that for now. I just wanted to get the start, and with this I'll be able to put a label here to title it, and I have a plan and an idea for this journal. I just don't want to reveal it right now. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to get more content like this. Thanks for watching.